Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let us look at this maths question. Solve for x and y the simultaneous equation. So we have this first equation here, we call it number 1. And equation 2, we call it number 2. So from equation 1, okay, we notice that the base is the same. So 2 to the power of x, okay, 8, we can make it 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of y. So x is equals to 3 plus y, because the base is the same. So the power here multiply, you take 3 plus y. So from equation 2, this is log on both sides. So log 2x plus y is equals to, this is minus. So it's log 63 divided by 3. Okay, so we notice both sides are log. So 2x plus y is equals to 21. So we call this equation 3 and we call this equation 4. So now we substitute equation 3, x equals to 3 plus y into equation 4. Okay, so what do we have? 2 bracket 3 plus y equals to 21. So from here, we can actually solve to get y equals to 5. Okay, then we substitute in, we will get x equals to 8. Okay, so that's the answer for x and y. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.